Okay, good morning students. Today in maxima and minima, very important to 3 marks question. All are same method, so different questions. Okay, today listen carefully. Find two numbers whose sum is find two numbers whose sum is 24, whose sum is 24 and whose product is whose product is as large as possible, as large or as large as possible. Large greatest to maxima, these are same. Large means maximum. Find two numbers. What is the meaning? Find the two numbers. Any type of two numbers, two numbers. Whose sum is, that two numbers sum is 24 and whose product is, the two numbers product is as large as possible. For example, let's take the two numbers taken x, y, or a, b, or anyone. Okay, let x comma y, let two possible numbers be x and y. Find two numbers, the two numbers take it x, y, or a, b, or anyone. Okay, x, y. What is the given condition? Sum is 24. Sum means what? Condition, given condition. X plus y, sum is 24. Sum is 24, that implies y is equal to what? Y is equal to 24 minus x. Y is equal to 24 minus x. So next one, product is as large as possible. Product, which product? That two numbers product. So in the maximum minima, what is the working rules? F of x is given, find out f dash of x and equal to 0, find x values, and interval first and last values, then the substitute given for the given function, the total values in the big value is maximum value, small value is minimum value. This is the procedure. So here not given f of x directly. F of x is not given directly. So what is the f of x? Which one is the maximum or which one is the large, small? This one. This type of value can be taken f of x. F of x is equal to what? Product. Whose product is as large as possible. Whose product means y, x into y, that number's product. So this is the f of x. F of x means the totally function in terms of x. F of y means total in terms of y. So y value, substitute y value. X into what is y? Y is equal to 24 minus x. That is equal to 24x minus x square. 24x minus x square. So f of x ready. F of x is ready. And next, what is the procedure? Derivative equal to 0, find x values, this one, continuation. So differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to, what is derivative? 24x ki 24 into 1, x square derivative 2x. X square derivative 2x. 24 minus 2x. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x is 0 means what is f dash of x? 24. 24 minus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 24. X is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. So, this x is equal to 12, only one value. Only one value means only single value. That given function has only minimum value or maximum value. How to decide minimum value or maximum value? Second derivative test. F double dash of x is equal to, f of x is equal to 24 minus 2x. F double dash of x is equal to 0 minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2 less than 0. F double dash of x minus less than 0 means what? Which value? Maximum value. Okay, what? Maximum value. What value you want? Large value. Okay, what value we have to find out? Large value. So is correct, 12th is correct. So x is 12. What is the final one? What we have to find out? Find two numbers. The two numbers, taken it x and y. So already x is there. Next we have to find out y value. How to find out y value? This is from 1. Okay, from 1. From 1, y is equal to 24 minus x. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, the two numbers are x is equal to 12, y is equal to 12. This is the problem. Very simple. First, two numbers sum is given 24. Find out y value, because f of x means total in terms of x, the function in x. F of x means the function in x with respect derivative equal to 0 x value. This problem, this is a second type of problem. The f of x is not given directly not given. So we have to take f of x. How to take? As large as possible, maximum profit. This type of means taken f of x. And procedure is same. F of x, we have to find out f of x. And next, the procedure is same working rule, same as f dash of x equal to 0, the same one. These are this type of today all problems. Today, how many problems we have to discuss? The total problems, very important. In the maxima and minima, only today problems we have to practice. Okay. Next one, no. Second problem. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16, and the sum of whose cubes, and the sum, sum, the sum means adding, the sum of whose cubes, the sum of whose squares, the sum of whose squares, the sum of whose squares is minimum, whose squares is minimum, sum of, okay. Find two numbers, same, find two numbers, sum is 16 and the sum of whose squares, sum of the squares, that number sum of the squares. What is the solution? Let x and y be two numbers. What is the given condition? Sum of the numbers is 16. X plus y is equal to 16. That is equal to y is equal to 16 minus x. Equation number 1. What is f of x? Sum, squares sum. Square sum, which squares? The two numbers squares sum. So x square plus y square. So x square plus y is 16 minus x whole square. F of x is there. Again procedure, same procedure. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to x square derivative 2x. So this is also x square. X square derivative 2x. 2 into 16 minus x into derivative of 16 minus 1. 16 derivative 0, x derivative 1, 0 minus 1. So 2x minus 2 into 16 minus x. So that is equal to 2x minus 2 into 16 minus 13 plus 2x. Minus 2x into minus x plus 2x. 2x, 4x minus 32. This is f dash of x. Next one, f dash of x is equal to 0. So what is f dash of x? 4x minus 32 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 4, 8. X is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. Next, what is y? This x is equal to the minimum value or maximum value. How to decide? Second derivative test. So next, f double dash of x. What is f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to 4x minus 32. F double dash of x, again derivative with respect to x. So 4 into x derivative 1, 32 derivative 0, that is equal to greater than 0. Greater than 0 means which value? Which value? Minimum value. Less than 0 means maximum value. So from 1, what one? Y is equal to 16 minus x. What is x? 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8, y is equal to 8. This is simple, very simple questions. Next, Next third one. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cubes cubes whose cubes whose cubes sum of whose cubes sum is 16 and any doubt what the question and the sum of whose cubes and the sum of whose cubes cubes the sum of whose cubes is minimum. Whose cubes is minimum. This is so let x comma y be two numbers. Sum x plus y is equal to 16. Y is equal to 16 minus x. Next, what is f of x? Sum of cubes. F of x is equal to cubes means squares means x square plus y square. Cubes cube x cube plus y cube. Next, that is equal to x cube plus y को 16 minus x whole cube. 16 minus x whole cube. So derivative with respect to x, f dash of x cube derivative 3x square, derivative of x cube 3x square. This is also x cube derivative 3x square into derivative of 16 minus x 0 minus 1. So 3x square plus minus 3 into a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square. 16 into 16 256. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 16 32. So that is equal to 3x square minus 3x square 256 into 3 18 15 16 768. Next minus 3x square minus into minus plus 332 so 96x. Okay, 96x. So 3x square cancel. 96x minus 768. This is f dash of x. So next f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x equal to 0 mean 36x minus 768 is equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to 768 by 96. 768 by 96 calculate. So 96 into 8 6 48 72 768. So 8. X is equal to 8. Which value? Minimum. Cubes is minimum. So what is the f double dash of x? F dash of x is equal to what? F double dash of x is equal to 96. So 96 is derivative 96 into 1 minus 768 is a constant. Derivative of constant equal to 0. So 96 in 96 greater than 0. So greater than 0 means what? Minimum value. So from 1 y is equal to 16 minus x. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8. Okay. Next question. Next. Find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers x and y such that direct given. This is find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60. This problem condition also given directly, and x into y cube, x plus y is equal to 60, and x into y cube is maximum. X into y cube is maximum. So x and y are directly given. So not necessary to let x comma y, x and y, because already given. So x and y. What is the given condition? Given condition. X plus y is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 minus y. F of x is equal to, let p anko, f of x dot anko p anko. P is equal to x into y cube. So x is equal to what? 60 into y cube. Okay. Look at this carefully. In the previous 1, 2, 3 problems, what did we take x plus y is equal to 60? So y is equal to 60 minus x. So here x is equal to 60 minus x. Why? Why did we take x is equal to something? Because this is first x value. X value, find out first x value or y value, any value. But this is y means easy. This is calculation easy. Calculation is simple. Problem is simple to solve. That's why x is equal to 60. The function in terms of y. Function in terms of x means what is x is equal to 60 minus y is equal to 60 minus x. So 60 minus x whole cube. So a minus b whole cube formula. This is the lengthy procedure. So this is the very easy procedure. So let us take x is equal to. Okay, let us take x is equal to. It is easy to solve. So 60 minus y. That is equal to 60 y cube minus y power 4. The p is called f of y, for example, say f of y. F of x means in terms of x all. So these all are y in terms of y. So we have to take f of y. 16 to y cube minus y power 4. Differentiate with respect to y, because the function is totally in terms of y. So that's why derivative with respect to y. What is the f dash of y? F dash of y is equal to 60 into y cube derivative 3y square, y power 4 into y cube. So next, what is the next? F dash of y is equal to 0. So calculate 60 into 3, 180. 180 y square minus 4y cube. So 180 y square minus 4 y square is equal to 0. 45 fours 4 y square common. 4y square common. 45 minus y is equal to 0. Because 45 into 4 180. Y square common 45 minus already 4 y square common minus y. So 4y square is equal to 0 or 45 minus y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 45. Y is equal to 45. So the x and y are, which type of values x and y are? Positive numbers. Positive number means positive, this is there is no positive number, so y not equal to 0. Positive number. So this x is equal to 45 is correct. X is equal to 45. Next, what is x? Y is equal to 45. Next, what is x? From 1. This is the minimum value or maximum value? Find second derivative test. F double dash of y. What is f dash of y? This one. F double dash of y. 180 into y square derivative 2y minus 4 into y cube derivative 3y square. So 180 into 2, 360y minus 12y square. So y is equal to what? 45. So 360 into 45 minus 12 into 45 whole square. This is greater than 0, positive value. 360 into, so maximum less than f double dash of x negative value. So 45 whole square into 12, 360 into 45, this is a negative value. Negative value means what? Less than 0. So maximum value from 1 what is x? X is equal to 60 minus y. So 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. Therefore finally x is equal to 15, y is equal to 45. This one. Okay, this is the third problem. Only one is difference. What is the difference? Then if 1, 2, 3 problems. 1, 2, 3 problems. What y is equal to something in terms of 40 minus x y x. This type. Here x is equal to, because easy to solve, easy to calculate. This is the short easy method. You can take you can solve and you can calculate first x is equal to first x value and next y value. Otherwise first y value, next x value. So any one is a correct. First x value, next y value, or first y value, next x value. Okay, you can calculate any type. Okay. Okay, last one. Find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers. Find two positive numbers x and y such that their sum is 35. Such that their sum is 35. Their sum is 35 and product x square into y power 5, x square into y power 5 is a maximum. Okay, is a maximum. First, same solution, given condition, x plus y is equal to 35. Next step, what is x is equal to 30 minus 35 minus y, or y is equal to 35 minus x? Which one we have to take? This is x square, this is y power 4. For example, y is equal to 35 minus x means 35 minus x whole power 5. So a minus b whole cube, a minus whole cube formula is very difficult. So a minus b whole power 5 formula is very difficult. So x is equal to 35 minus y is correct. Okay. And okay, next f of p is equal to x square y power 4, 35 minus y whole square, 35 minus y whole square into y power 5, a minus p whole square. A minus whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab into y power 5. So that is equal to 35 whole square. 35 whole square first y square into y power 5, y power 7 minus 70 y power 6 plus 35 35 so 35 35 so 35 5 so 35 5 5 so 25 5 5 so 25 5 3 so 15 17. So 3 5s 15, 3 3s 9, 10. So 5 7 5 12, 25. So 35 5 5s 25, 5 3 15 17, 3 5s 15, 3 3s 9, 10, 105. So 5 7 5 12, 1 2 2 5, 1 2 2 5 into y power 5. This is f of y. Differentiate with respect to y. So f dash of y is equal to y power 7 x power n formula n into x power n minus 1, y power 7 into y power 6 minus 70 into 6 into y power 5 plus 1225 into y power 5 y power 4, x power 5 5x power 4. So that is equal to 7 y power 6 minus 70 into 6 480 y power 5 minus plus 12 into 5. So which one is common? 7 common. Okay. 5 5s 25, 5 2s 10, 10 12, 5 10 11 5 ones 6 6 1 2 5 5 power 4. Okay, next 7 common, 35 35 7 common, y power 6 minus 60 60 7 y power 4 common, 7 y power 4 common, this is y square minus 60 60 y power 4 60y plus 35 5s 35 5s is to 5 5 5s 25 5 3s 15 175 175 into 5 5 5s 25 5 7 35 37 5 1s 5 8 875 plus 875. Okay, so f dash of y is equal to 0. So this is 7 into y power 4 minus y square minus 60 into y plus 875 is equal to 0. Y square minus 60y plus 875 is equal to 0. So factors equal to what? Y is equal to 25 35. So factors y is equal to 25 comma 35. Okay, y is equal to 25 comma 35. In y is equal to 25 comma 35 only okay, y is equal to this one, y square minus 60y plus 875 is equal to 0. Factors y is equal to 25 comma 35, y not equal to 35 because y is less than 35. So y is equal to 25 is correct because the sum is 35. The x plus y both equal to sum equal to 35. Not only y is equal to 35 means remaining x is equal to 0. So what is the xy values? Positive values. 0 is not a positive value. Okay, so y is equal to 25. So from 1 y is equal to 25 means x is equal to what? 35 minus 25 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 10, y is equal to 25. These 5 questions are very important questions. These 5 questions very important, so don't neglect them, the practice perfectly. Okay, okay.